my dog right here. Yeah, so we'll make a recording for Howard. Like and subscribe and see more dogs.